Kyle More Production. Be ready to be amazed and entertained. What are you doing? Alright, now today we're going to show you the scariest animals you will ever see in your life.
What's up? Yeah, I'm Lauren. Okay.
They're going to be really scary. The biggest animals you've ever seen in your life. Let's go see them. And there's the Gracie, ready to bite. There she is. Happy as a pup. Teeth, that's funny. It's there. So let's go get the Cece. Look, there she is. Happy. Hi. Let's take a look at the Cece. Let's go. See, she's in here. There she is.
Hibernating.
See. And there she is, Cece. Let's see what she does. It's there again! She's going psycho! There she is. She's really scared. Okay. And there's the Gracie again. She's happy. And there she goes. Trying to make a move on us. Let's get her.
Go!
And we have her surrounded. And we have caught the scariest animals. Woo!
Woo, yeah.
Now I'm going to look like an idiot plugging my nose.
Wait, get a close up. Okay, that's good. Okay, bye, whatever, bye. You turn it off.
This is a Kyle and Lauren production.
Bye. Stop.